Hello guys, what's up today? So we'll be looking at additional settings on Facebook today, how we can complete the setup of our Facebook page. So this is what we'll be looking at directly. Just log on to your Facebook account, then select your page. Then after that, scroll down on this menu where you can see page, newsfeed, and so on. Scroll down to where you can see edit page info. So I'm going to click on that. Now we have our page name, our page username, we have description, which is our about section or about section. Then we have category of our business, so which is boutique store. So the next thing we'll be looking at today is adding phone number, adding email, adding WhatsApp number, and website, and other things that we can think of. So what we'll be doing first is adding phone number. So I'll be adding one of my phone number as my page number. Don't forget, this is for practical, so this is not my main business, so this is just for practical purpose. So which is 08139147597. I hope I'm correct. 97. So that is going to be my page number. You see, once you made that settings, it will be showing saved here. So I'm going to try to add WhatsApp number. So I want to check maybe that phone number is on WhatsApp, but I'll be showing you later how you can create a WhatsApp business, account, and how you can set it up for business. So which means we are going to add the phone number for now. So let's just add our WhatsApp number. So click on send code. A code will be sent to your WhatsApp business account. Then input the code. Click on confirm. So because of one or two reasons, you can see saying you have reached the limit of the number of business you can create at this time. Anyway, we are going to be adding this maybe later after 1 month or thereabout. So next thing is adding an email for your business. Well, Gmail has made that easy. Yahoo Mail, Outlook, and other mail are there for us to use. So my email address is to come. So I've added my email. So the next thing is adding website to your. So let me just add this website, where I may still create this website later, but don't forget this is for practical. Kings and Queens Boutique.com. So I've added location, I've added other information, blah blah blah. So the next thing you will be looking at is adding other accounts. So here now, which means I'm adding this as my Instagram account. Now you can add other accounts such as YouTube, Twitter, and so on. You can see you can even add your LinkedIn profile to this. Other things you can add. So let me try to add WhatsApp again. So go to page. You can see WhatsApp is now showing. So let's look how it appeared to a visitor or a potential customer. So you can see it's showing that this is my WhatsApp number. This is how all the information you are adding. So this is how you can customize a page. So the last thing I'll be adding here is adding a button to this. Instead of send message, I will be adding a button. I can add colors now, then change the number to Nigeria. Click on save. So I've added a number like that. So this marks the end of Facebook settings. Bye.